Hello everyone, welcome to MS Education Standard Institutions YouTube channel. Today we are actually on a site of shopping mall. Here you can see the 11 kV line as well as a transformer. From here we are getting a 440 line. Today I'll explain you everything in detail from 11 kV to 440 volts how the transmission has been taking place. Okay, come over here. Onto the top of the pole you are getting 11 kV line, 3 phases R, Y and B. Okay, from there you can see the ABB switches. We are taking a connection for the shopping mall. 11 kV line we are taking R, Y and B, which has been given. This is the cable, and this cable has been given to the primary of the CTPT transformer. It's a measuring transformer, this one. Okay, where is the primary section of the CTPT? Over where? There. That's the terminal box. This one is the terminal box of the CTPT. यानी 11 kV से जो लाइन आ रही है वो लाइन किसको दी है? CTPT के प्राइमरी को दी है. CTPT का सेकेंडरी कहाँ पर है? ये सेकेंडरी लाइन. ठीक है. From here the line is going to where? To the LBS, load break switch, 11 kV LBS. Okay. From the LBS to the primary of the transformer. From the LBS to the primary of transformer. Secondary of the transformer is been given to the your MDB, distribution board, which is there in the parking area. Okay, let's study in detail. 11 kV line is there. Okay, 3 phases are there, R, Y and B. From there we have taken a connection with an insulator, set of insulators. Okay, with a fuse also, ABB switches. From there we are taking a cable, 11 kV cable. That 11 kV cable is been given to the primary of the CT and PT measuring transformer. Okay, why we are using this CT and PT transformers? Just to measure the current and the voltage. Okay, because voltmeter, ammeter we can't directly connect to the main line, which is of 11,000 volts. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just minimizing the voltages and the ampere ratios. With that we can directly measure the incoming voltage and current with the help of our CTPT and our metering panel. Okay, clear? So what are the inputs we are getting? 11 kV is being given to CTPT primary. Okay, it is what it is. It's a measuring transformer. What it is? It is a measuring transformer. Secondary is been given. The secondary of the CTPT is been given to the LBS, load break switch, 11 kV load break switch. Output of LBS of 11 kV load break switch is been given to the transformer primary. It's a 11 kV transformer, 11 kV by 440 volt transformer. Output is been given to this particular primary of the transformer. Secondary of the transformer has been given to your MDB. Okay, and this is your transformer. Okay, onto the primary side it is delta connected. Okay, onto the secondary side it is star connected. Primary side is delta, secondary side is star connection. Understanding? Is it clear? Okay, again 11 kV input is being given to the CTPT measuring transformer. Output of CTPT measuring transformer to LBS load break switch. From the load break switch to the input of the transformer primary, 11 kV by 440 volt distribution transformer. Okay, transformer का it's been given to the transformer primary. ट्रांसफॉर्मर सेकेंडरी से क्या हो रहा है? स्टेप डाउन हो रहा है, 440 वोल्ट आ रहा है. ये 440 वोल्ट किसको दे रहे हैं? पार्किंग में जो अपना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल है उसको ले जाके दे रहे हैं. क्लियर है? अंडरस्टूड? डन?